Guys, today we'll talk about how can you change password on your Vizio app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Vizio app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you click here above, you go down, you click here on account down here, you just click here on account. It's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on Vizio account, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next here. Then you click here on change password and just click here on password, change password here. You come to this list here, click here on current password, add here new password and here confirm password. Then you click here on continue, then it's going to change with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.